Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy Dominoes 7 here. Like to welcome y'all to my vlog, my and everything. Well, there's something I want to tell y'all though. First thing I want to tell y'all about that video on that I showed y'all. I don't know if y'all saw it on this channel or another channel, whatever. Well, depends on what channel y'all watching this on. Okay. But anyway, I want to tell y'all that video with Kirsten. Well, she was in a rush or whatever, you know. I mean, for some of you that watched that video, I uploaded it just because, you know, because I I decided to upload it this year. That video was since 2017. Okay, so yeah, she wanted to talk or whatever. She didn't want to talk or whatever. You know, it doesn't matter though. But let me tell y'all about her. We just friends as far as that. You know, I mean, let me tell y'all something. She beautiful, cute, everything. She nice and sweet and everything. But let me tell y'all something. She just somebody I know, okay? Yeah, let me tell y'all something. I had a crush on her, but the thing is, I can't have that girl. Hell no. No offense, y'all. Just in case she watching this video, Kirsten, if you watching this, I love you. You my friend, okay? She's my friend, and I guess she was going through a moment that time, you know. At that time, she had a boyfriend, you know. I never met her boyfriend at the time. I saw him from time to time. I refused to talk to him, you know. I refused to meet him, you know, at that time, you know. Okay, so anything else with her, we gonna pass on that one. Okay, so yeah, you know, because at the time she had some boyfriend, probably. Well, never mind. Forget it. You know what I'm gonna tell y'all about her. So that's it. Okay, and another thing I want to tell y'all. With Megan, we gonna have to reschedule our interview. Okay, so Megan's supposed to be here tomorrow, but I have some other plans. You know, tomorrow I'm going to the Gentilly Fest. Okay, so that's what's going on. Megan, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but we gonna have to reschedule. Okay. All right, so maybe next time you'll be on the show, okay? All right, I'm sorry, Megan. If you're watching this, I'm sorry, okay? We gonna have to reschedule our appointment for you to be on the show, okay? All right, so tomorrow I'm going to the Gentilly Fest. Not Gentilly Fest, the French Quarter Festival, okay? So that's where I'm going tomorrow, okay? I'm gonna have to reschedule this, and Jeopardy is on. So Mattel kept winning and winning and winning. You know what bothers me? That guy Cameron got beat by a girl, and this girl is winning all these games. You know that's ridiculous to me. Okay, damn, you got beat by a girl. What the hell? All right, so Megan, poo poo Megan. I'm sorry. It's just funny to call her that. You know, poo poo girl. Yeah, I called Nyla that. I called Kristen Dement that. I call her Poo Poo Kristen. She'll kick my butt for this if she watched this video. Okay. So I think Megan gonna come Sunday or next Saturday or whatever. You know, who knows? Okay, but we'll have to see. Okay, we'll see. All right. Maybe Saturdays is the deal, whatever. I don't know. Okay, so I decided to reschedule because before I came home and stuff like that, I spotted her, you know, and she was on the phone with somebody, you know. Well, the hell with who she was on the phone with, you know. There's some guys she really like or whatever, you know. She been friends with him for a while, talking about she gonna make him her boyfriend or whatever. I mean, Jesus Christ. Oh well, what the heck? Well, that's all I got to say right now. Okay, thank y'all for watching though. So I'm going to the French Quarter Fest tomorrow. Okay, and speaking of that, I have to reschedule Megan to be on the show. Okay, and that video that y'all saw with the numbers in the title, Kirsten, she just a friend. Okay, she just somebody I know. Okay. Yeah, I used to have feelings for her, but I just like her like family, you know. Okay, but I'm gonna try my best to get her back on the show. Okay, all right. So that's all I got to say. All right, thank y'all for watching. All right, bye.